Spaghetti with chicken. Hello classmates. This is one of my favorite recipes. These are ingredients that I need for recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams of chicken breast, 500 grams spaghetti, 200 grams of rice, 100 grams of carrots, 100 grams of peas, 500 grams of mango, 20 grams of onion, 20 grams of tomato, 10 grams of salt, spices, and water. First, I put water to warm, then I add spaghetti and I cook them for 10 minutes. I let them cool. Second, I cook chicken breast in water with salt and spices for 25 minutes. I remove it from fire and I let it cool. Third, then I fry onion, tomato, and spices. Fourth, I cook chicken and then I mix spaghetti chicken with it. And I cook it for 10 minutes more. Fifth, I cook rice in water with salt and oil vegetables for 20 minutes. Sixth, I cook carrots and peas for 10 minutes. Then I cook them for tomato salad with mayonnaise. Seventh, finally, in blender I make juice of mango. Now we have a recipe for dinner.